Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. Today we're bringing you a video. Now today has been an emotional marvel. We have had winter, we've had spring, fall, and now it's summer. Except for my jacket because it's still cold, but it sure feels like summer a little bit. We're going to drive Martha all the way to the car wash and spray off all of her oily under things, right? It's wet down there, it's disgusting down, it's slippery, it's really slippery. You fall right in, I'm telling you. So we're going to take her to the car wash and we're going to spray off, not the underside. Now keep in mind that this car wash is in Mexico, just down the street, and that means that we're not violating any EPA. Without further ado, let's hop in, let's go for a ride, and make sure you subscribe. The key. Oh, it does have seatbelts. We'll die anyways. Today, we die like men. I'm in my mom's car. You ever see that old Vine?
I'm in my mum's car. Get out of my car! Aww.
Ashley? No? Oh, man. Temperature gauge doesn't work, but the oil pressure gauge does. Oh yeah. Okay, so this sucker, we have not rebuilt the carburetor in this yet, so oh yeah. She doesn't idle as good as she used to. Oh man. Alright. Oh, speedometer works. Alright, coming through. We don't have any power steering either. I did add fluid to it, but none of that race car shifting. Alright, there we go. We got a lot of parts in the back right now, and she's riding pretty dang good. There we go. She keeps going down to like 200 RPM. She just comes back. Alright, here we go. We're out on the road with Martha. Alright. Just waiting for the steering to snap, T-bone a school bus. Fourth gear in Martha. I'll be honest, I'm starting to think my welding job on that muffler was not up to OSHA standards. Hot dog. We're going 40 miles an hour in Martha. Alright. Yeah, I'll be honest, the brakes are a little weird. Like, they don't have as much assistance as you would think. So I'm wondering what the vacuum is on this. Like if it's low on vacuum, something like that. Alright, green light. Oh boy, come on, stay green. Oh, by the way, Chat GPT camera holder, you can point it not at me too. You can show the world also. Oh man. Oh man. You think insurance will like I wonder if insurance, like, what if they hit your car, you know, and then they're responsible for it? What if it's like, oh, you know, you hit my car, that means that you have to rebuild my engine because now it doesn't run the same. Is that how that works? I'm doing the old 2-foot, box 2-foot. Oh, turn signal. Keep her alive. Oh, you gotta give her just a little bit, okay. These ladies have no idea that this thing could explode at any moment. Comment below, tell me something, because you ever look at the, you know, the little crosswalk thing and then think like, oh, that's how you can predict when the light's gonna change. I didn't know to do that for years. I must have been 26 when I thought to do that, you know? Alright, here we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. First time on the road. Oh, yeah, there we go. I'm not even going to try downshifting. Problem is that the owner is here and they are not keen on... Oh boy, if we die like men. Whoa. All right, there we go. Oh gosh, he's right there. Oh, be like He almost caught us. We should probably go. Oh yeah, it smells muddy in here. All right, let's see if she'll start. Oh. Look at that.
That's helpful.
Huh?
That's helpful.
Distracted by a Mazda Protege. I don't like them, but my wife likes them. I was kidding, I probably would like them. I can hardly smell gas in here. Not too bad. Rogue here's like a normal person. Ah, crap. Well, we missed the light. Brake pedal's super stiff though. Oh, did you want to listen to some music? No. Hey, if you're still watching, why haven't you liked this video yet? I was thinking you must really like me. I mean, there's really not a lot happening, but here you are with me, the loyal, I would bleep that out, the loyal person that you are. And here you are hanging out with me, and we're spending some this good quality time, I'm telling you. When you're in your coffin looking up and I'm looking down at you, thinking about that sweet plasma TV you left me, this moment is what I'm going to be thinking about. You and me. Oh, you're kidding me. These are all the people waiting to turn? Come on. Tell ya, Martha is not a traffic queen. Okay. Why the steering? Why? Oh man. Steering's fine when you're going, but that's just kind of the nature of not having power steering. Let me tell you, this is supposed to have quite the power steering. Very, very, very powerful steering, which means you can steer with a pinky, just not right now, and I don't know why. Maybe there's not enough fluid in it. I'm hearing some noises. Maybe the pump is messed up. I don't know. I was told that this thing didn't leak anything. The power steering works great. I was told a lot of things. And you know what? It's okay. Martha's been good to me. She deserves all this. I have to tell myself that. And especially say it to myself right now in the presence of my wife who's holding the camera. It's a pretty successful trip though. Oil pressure's like, I mean, it's not low, but you know, see what it's at when we get up to idling over here. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna do the back end because that's what you do. I keep thinking that this has one of these here mirrors. It does not. Doesn't even look like it ever had one. Oh, there she goes. Whoa. Ooh, there she goes. Oh, man. Yeah, and then we'll just go ahead. Yeah, there we go. And just bump her right there. We go. Doink. Well. Oh my gosh, the parking brake's been on the whole time. That's why it's been weird to drive. I'll bet that works a little less good now. If you like this video, like the video. If you like me, subscribe. If you don't like me, tell me why in the comments. I need you. Okay, now turn off the video so it's dramatic.